So dear students, here you can see the rotation of the earth and alternation of day and night. So these are the sun rays, and the sun rays falls on the one part of earth, that part enjoy day, and the dark side enjoy night side. So earth rotation on its axis take 24 hours. While rotating, a part of earth facing the sun rays has day and the other part night. So you can see here the north pole, that is the south pole. These sides enjoy less amount of rays. That's why these are known as cold places of the earth. But these parts enjoy maximum amount of rays. So these parts are the main part of earth where people enjoy maximum sun rays. And here you can see that the how day and night occurs. So this topic shows how day and night occurs, that occurs due to the sun rays. That earth rotates west to each side, and that means the part comes in front of sun rays, they enjoy day, and the part of other side they enjoy night. Dear student, in geography of tourism, today, first of all, we will make study of revolution of the earth. That earth make a revolution surround the sun by 365 days and 6 hours. That means it takes 1 year. And here you can see that these revolutions results in changes in the temperatures of earth, and how days length and night length you can see. So this is the shape of earth, that is ecliptic shape. You can see ecliptic shape. That means tilted. So earth is in tilted shape. So it takes a round of the suns. So here you can see in tilted shape, that is the north pole is here and south pole is here. And equator, that is the 0 degree, that divide the earth into two parts. One is that northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Here you can see that the tilted or ecliptic shape of earth. So it takes 365 days to make a round of the suns. So here you can see this, in this area, the this sides of earth is facing sun rays, and here these people enjoy days, and these people, there is dark side, these people enjoy nights. So here there is the winter solstice, and here on 22nd December, the day is, we will note down, the equal day or high day. So dear student, on 22nd December, sun rays, you can note down overhead on southern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere of the earth. That's why the northern sides enjoy winters. And the topic is discussing, our topic is discussion is the revolution of the earth, main factor in determining seasons. We have to determine the how seasons forms. So due to the sun rays falls on the summer southern hemisphere, so northern hemisphere in December month enjoy winters. So here, due to the sun rays falls in this area, that's why these are far away from here. That's why springs can be noted down in northern hemisphere and the autumn months in southern hemisphere. Again, the sun rays falls in on 21st June, in the month of June, directly on some northern hemisphere. That's why these sites enjoy summer seasons and the southern hemisphere enjoy winter season. So the same you can say, the sun rays falls in this way in this area, and these part enjoy, southern part enjoy spring season and northern enjoy autumn. So the earth revolutions decides the variations in temperatures and how seasons can be available at particular area of the earth. So this student again you can see rotation of the earth. This is sun here. These are sun rays. There is a yellow part that shows the sun rays is falling on this area. First of all, understand the solstices of the earth. That is, you can see this is the northern part, north pole. That is south pole. So equator divide the earth into two parts. That is equator, 0 degree. That part is the northern hemisphere, and that part is southern hemisphere. And you can see a tropic of Cancer in northern sides, and tropic of Capricorn is in southern sides. So sunrise falls direct on this place, and these places are enjoying direct sun rays and known as torrid zones or temperate zones. Torrid or temperate zones. But these are enjoying less sun rays. These are known as freezed zone. You can say freezed freezed zone. Yeah, as you can see, these are the cooled place. Southern poles or northern poles are enjoying less sun rays and known as freezed zone or cool zone of the earth. And these parts of the earth enjoy heavy amount of sun rays known as temperate zones or torrid zones.